Hi everyone, Cindy here. I am going to briefly show you how you can access the books and the other research articles that we will be sharing throughout our Flex PD that are specific to online pedagogy. They can be accessed here in the classwork tab. And then if you come down here to the professional books, actually this is where I'm going to be posting this video once I'm finished recording it so you can get back to it. But if I go to click on to get into one of these books, I'm going to just do this one, this online teaching. You'll see a link comes up. It says Open Athens Sign In. When I click on that, it brings me to the authentication page where I need to then prove that I have the rights to access these resources. So you will use your CHCLC accounts to get into them. For the username, you are just going to put in the beginning part of your email address. So do not include the at chclc.org. For most of us, it's the first letter of our first name and then last name. I know there's some variations with some of the more popular last names. It might be the first two letters of your first name. But whatever comes before the at symbol in your CHCLC email address, please type in here. And then for the password, it is whatever you use for everything else school related, everything else CHCLC, and that should get you right into the direct link to the books that are available to you. This first one I chose is called Online Teaching in K to 12, and you'll see if we come over here to the table of contents, I can come down to more specific things within the book instead of obviously reading the entire book, but I can kind of skim through the chapters and look at parts that are going to be useful to me in planning some either remote instruction delivery or some things to enhance a hybrid type setting. So if I go through and I click on one of the chapters, it will bring me to that point in the book specifically where I can just scroll through and read the entire book. I hope you're able to find some useful information here to help you with getting through some online and some hybrid type lessons. After you have finished with this first part of reading through some of the information in one of these books, please make sure you move on to the second piece where we are sharing and reflecting and looking at some of the other things that people have found within these professional books on online learning. Thank you.